In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add text, choose fonts, set language options, and upload your own fonts in the editor. Let's start by getting the right panel open. On the left side of your editor, look for the main toolbar and click on Add. This is your hub for bringing new elements onto the canvas, and it keeps everything organized so you don't have to hunt around. Next, click on Text. This opens the text options where you can quickly drop preset styles onto your design. From here, choose a heading. A heading is designed to be bold and prominent, perfect for titles or key messages. It drops onto your canvas as a large, easy-to-see text box so you can start customizing right away. Once the heading is selected on your canvas, click on Edit Text. This is where you type exactly what you want your audience to read. Think about clarity and tone. Short, direct phrases usually work best for headings. If the text looks too big or too small for your layout, use the on-canvas handles to adjust the size so it fits cleanly without crowding other elements. Now let's refine the look. Click on Fonts to open the font picker. This is where you control the personality of your text. Clean sans serif fonts are great for modern, minimal designs, while serif or script fonts can convey elegance or a more classic feel. As you browse, keep readability in mind, especially if your background is busy or your text will be viewed on smaller screens. From the font list, choose a font that matches your brand or the mood of your project. Take a moment to preview a couple of options so you're confident the style supports your message. A cohesive font choice can instantly elevate your design. If you're working in a different language or need special characters, this is also where you can add language support. Setting the correct language helps ensure the right glyphs are used and improves text shaping and accents, so everything renders correctly and looks professional. Finally, if you have a specific brand typeface or a custom type family, you can also upload fonts. Click on Upload Fonts to bring your own files into the editor. Make sure you have the proper licensing and use a supported format. This is a great way to maintain brand consistency and stand out with a unique visual identity. That's it. You've added a heading, edited your text, selected the right font, configured language support, and learned how to upload your own fonts for a fully customized look.